Hey everyone, my name is Rodrigo. I have been in Vietnam for 2 years. When the COVID epidemic broke out, I chose to stay in Vietnam, which in hindsight was the right decision. During my time here, I got used to the Vietnamese pace of life. Here, I often choose travel by public transport, such as the bus. When I come to the long journeys, however, I usually rent a small car to go on my trip. And since it's discovered the rather nifty item to recommend to everyone. This is the KATA car floor mat. This brand of mat is the one of the most popular in Vietnam. It is currently sold on site vendors of Amazon. The KATA carpet have 5 key features. The first is the KATA car floor mat is made from high quality flexible PVC with a bright transparent color and not pigmentation or cloudiness. The PVC have been certified and safe for consumers, held by SGS Europe, and this contains no trace or harmful substance, such as lead or mercury. The second is the KATA car floor mat has outstanding durability. As its car or lasts for up 10 years, the owner of the car told me that it's been using the set of my 5 years, and it still look pretty new. That is impressive. The third is the KATA car floor mat possesses a minimalist yet sophisticated design, unlike pattern form of 5D and 6D car mats. The KATA mat has only one surface design in the form of the floating balls that are arranged close together to the create grooves. This helps to increase friction between the user feet and the car floor surface, preventing slippage. The grooves on the mat prevent water and dirt from slipping or seeping into the original field surface of the car floor. Finally, this is the set that the KATA mat is good at soundproofing the car. Right now, there is very little noise being made. It's the cabin. The mat utilizes sound dispersion, techniques in which creates a space of sound to dissipate, thus minimizing of the noise output. In addition, the mat is very easy to clean. Now, let's look at 3 things mat does not have. In this product, in the palette, have all colors, but I choose the blue because it's my favorite color. Wow. This color is so beautiful, and this PVC is the most in the market. Have all certificates for SGS Europe. Very easy for putting the car. Is perfect size for all cars. The material is so soft, waterproof, easy to clean, comfortable for the feet. Is so perfect for the cars. Very strong material. The designer is so good, have a lot of colors, easy to put in the car. You can protect all car with this material, and it's so easy. Really, really easy.